Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Forza using a PlayStation 4 controller. First, let's get your controller connected. You can simply plug it into your personal computer with a USB cable. For wireless play, enable Bluetooth on your computer and hold the Share and PlayStation buttons on your controller until the light bar flashes. Then, select it from your computer's Bluetooth devices. Now that your controller is connected, you'll need some software to make it work seamlessly with Forza. We recommend DS4 Windows, a popular tool that emulates an Xbox 360 controller. Head to the official DS4 Windows website, download the latest version, and extract the files. Then, launch the application to install the necessary drivers and get everything set up. With DS4 Windows installed, it's time to configure it for optimal Forza gameplay. Open the application and navigate to the Profiles tab. Create a new profile specifically for Forza, then map your PlayStation 4 controller's buttons to match the standard Xbox layout. You can also fine-tune settings like stick sensitivity and trigger dead zones to achieve your perfect driving feel. Finally, you're ready to hit the road. Make sure DS4 Windows is running in the background, then launch your Forza game. The game should now recognize your PlayStation 4 controller as an Xbox 360 controller. If you experience any issues, try restarting DS4 Windows or your computer. Sometimes, a quick reboot is all it takes to resolve minor connectivity glitches and get you racing smoothly.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.